What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar, and today is a very special day, as this is probably gonna be the last recipe of our mascot, Little Potato. And to honor her memory, I decided to prepare a vegetarian recipe, meatballs with no meat. Are you curious about it?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.
We're gonna need few main ingredients to prepare this tasty finger food. Breadcrumbs, shredded parmesan, egg whites, salt, seasonings, and of course, lentils. Now, we could use canned lentils to make our lives a little bit easier, but this time I decided to prepare this from scratch. So, pick the dry ones and boil them in the salted water for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you want them to cook faster, make sure to put the lid on your pot. Sooner or later, we're gonna mash those lentils anyway, so don't be afraid to overcook them, just relax and wait. Alright, after about 40 minutes, we need to drain out the water. If you don't want to wait for them to cool, you can wash with cold water as I did. That's gonna make it easier to handle them. In fact, we need to press pretty hard to let the most water possible to get out. Perfect! Let's season with salt, garlic and black pepper. Then, you can add more spice with any other seasoning. I use turmeric and oregano. Mix and press all together until it gets homogeneous. It's now time to add the egg whites, 150 grams, and the shredded parmesan, about 30 grams. Again, mix it all together and add up some breadcrumbs to get the consistency you like the most. About 40 grams should be enough, as we don't want our meatballs to get too hard. Preset the oven at 390 degrees and get ready to prepare the meatballs. Before that, season the breadcrumbs with a pinch of salt and some paprika to give a nice and spicy crust. Pick a little bit of mixture in your hands and start to roll and press until you get the shape you wish. Now dig into the breadcrumbs and cover it completely. Last step is to place it into your baking tray, possibly with a foil of baking paper on it. Okay, now repeat the process until you finish all your lentils mixture. Have you done? Nice! Now it's time to bake them. Right into the oven for about 15 minutes. And pretty much until they get golden brown on top. And here we go, a very healthy and macro-friendly recipe. You can prepare this and keep the meatballs in the fridge for 2 or 3 days with no problems. I hope you did enjoy the recipe and the last effort of our beloved little potato. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now make me a huge favor and smash the thumb up button. I'll catch you very soon. See ya!
Goodbye, little potato. Goodbye.